Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a new activewear line that I just discovered. I'm really excited. I'm going to completely unbox and try on for you guys. And one thing is kind of questionable. It's something that I've never tried before. And I'm really curious to see how this is gonna look on my very petite body. But you'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. Also, if you didn't know, I'm doing a series of giveaways on my channel just to give back, and also in the spirit of recently hitting 20,000 subscribers, which I'm still so psyched about. And still so thankful, you guys. So thank you guys. I just want to give back. So I have 2 other giveaways on my channel right now. I'll have them linked down below in the info bar. And then I have a couple more to come as well. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Join our YouTube fam, we would love to have you. And then make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video and every time I upload a giveaway so that you can enter and never miss a thing. And with that being said, this is my 3rd giveaway that I'm doing. And this one is probably the biggest, actually no, it is the biggest giveaway out of all of them. I'm so excited. So stay tuned to the end for your chance to win a year's worth of what I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's also a really cool challenge. As you guys know, I'm really into fitness and yoga and all that, and I have been for quite a few years. So if you're into that, you also will love this giveaway and love this video. So okay, I'm done talking now. I've been chatting too much, like I always do. I love you guys, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Ta-da! Alright you guys, so here's the box. I already opened it with my scissors because I didn't want to do that on camera. So we have a couple different things in this package. And we're gonna start off with this one, which is the one that I'm like questioning. Can you guys guess? Oh my goodness, let's open this up. So I really like that this comes in a plastic container. It's like nice packaging. Okay you guys, are you ready? Wow, let's put this on. Okay, this is my first time seeing this in the mirror. You guys ready? Da, da. Okay, I was really skeptical of this, but honestly, I am so impressed. The material is so nice. It's nice and thick and stretchy and really soft, and I love this design. Like, it's really flattering, and it really like pulls in and accentuates your curves, which is really nice. And I was so worried that this was gonna be too long on me or look weird on me because I'm only 5'1". I'm so short. But as you can see, this like fits really well. I'm like really impressed. There's a little bit of fabric down by my ankles, but it's nothing bad at all. This is like normal for leggings for me. And it's super stretchy. It's not tight. It's so comfortable. I love the neckline, and the back is pretty cool too. I have a bra on, but it's an open back, so you can get the idea. I feel like Catwoman in this. Oh, I messed up my rug when I did my entrance. I can definitely see myself wearing this to the gym or even yoga. It's so comfortable. It's very flexible and stretchy. And it's so cute. Like, I love the pattern. How cute is this? I am like so shocked. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I'm gonna wear this all day today. Hey. All right, next thing in the box is a women's sports bra. Again, this is really nice packaging. It actually has a zipper, and it's in a nice plastic bag. So it comes with the 2 little booby pads, and ooh, these are nice. I like these. They have this sports bra in a few different colors, but I decided to go with the black because I feel like you can just never go wrong. And I am curious to see if these are squat proof. So I will show the leggings next. But this is the nice sports bra, and I like this. Nice quality. I like the back. It's like a mesh opening detail here that's so nice with the logo, and it's a thick material. I like that you can either put these in or just take them out, but this is nice. I'm excited to put this on and try it. Next are the leggings, and I'm really excited. This is a 2-piece set, so these leggings match that sports bra I just showed. Again, really nice packaging. Okay, so right off the bat, they're the same material, which I really like. These are really thick. I like that in a legging though. And in the back, they have a nice zipper pocket with the logo. It looks like a nice cinch waist. And ooh, I love the seams. It looks like there's some booty enhancing details here. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's try these on. Okay, so again, my first impressions of this. So cute. I am so impressed with this activewear company. It fits really well, the material is great, the detailing is really cool, which I will show here in just a minute. It's true to size. I have an extra small on the top and an extra small in the bottom. I'm 5'1", about 110 pounds, and a 34C or 32D. I may have sized up a bit on the top, but honestly, like, it fits really well and snug, and I feel like my girlies are in place. It has a nice razor back detail with the mesh, which is really cute. And then here's the pocket zipper, and the booty enhancing details I think are so flattering and so cute. I am definitely interested in getting more colors in this set. It's so cute and it hits me at the perfect length. Again, I'm 5'1", and it's perfect. Like, this has like never happened to me before. I'm like so genuinely impressed. So again, the top is really nice and nice and secure, and I really like the mesh detail on the back. The bottoms are just as nice, same material, really good thick band that I feel cinches you in at the waist. It has a really cool mesh detailing here on the side that goes all the way down to the calf, and it actually wraps around to the other side of your leg, which is really, really nice. Such a cute detail. Now let's see if these are squat proof. Dun, 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 dun. I'd say yes. Squat proof. Squat proof. Alright, you guys, so Lapasa Activewear was nice enough and generous enough to partner with me on a giveaway. They will be selecting 10 winners to win 1 year's worth of free Lapasa Activewear, which is crazy to me. So Lapasa is holding a 30-day yoga challenge, and I'm all about that. I was right on board because I love anything with fitness and yoga and wellness. I've been working out for about 6 years now, and I started doing yoga about a year ago, and I love it. This is a really good chance to do a free 30-day yoga class challenge to learn different moves, maybe some new techniques, and just relax and de-stress and just get in touch with your surroundings and your body. I swear, if you haven't tried yoga, you need to. And this is a really good way to get it for free. So all the rules and all the info will be down in the description box, so make sure you read everything and get all the details, but I will also go over some of the main points here right now. So you must be subscribed to my channel and then follow me on all my socials, my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and then these steps. So click on the link in the description for Lapasa's website and select whatever activewear piece that you would want, whether it's the 2-piece set that I have on now or that jumpsuit that I showed earlier. But whatever one that you want, whatever size and color, select it and make that purchase. Also in the description there will be a link for the 30-day yoga classes. There's a video every single day. You guys can follow along with me because I am also doing this as well. So on day 1, you'll want to take like a before picture in your Lapasa Activewear, and then continue throughout the entire 30 days of yoga classes, and then again on the very last day, on your 30th day of the yoga challenge, take a after picture in again your Lapasa Activewear. And then at the end of the challenge, Lapasa will select 10 of the top before and after pictures, and all 10 of those people will win the year's worth of Lapasa Activewear. So this is just so crazy and so good to me. There's so many benefits. Make sure you read the description box because there's a ton of info in there on all the different ways to enter, and then the required hashtags and tags that you need so that Lapasa can keep track of all the entries. So good luck to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Lapasa. This is such a great opportunity for everyone and all of my subscribers. I'm definitely excited to do my day 1. I'm starting today. All the links are in the description, all the info, and as well as my socials. So check everything out, and I love you guys so much. Thank you again times a million for everything and for the 20,000 subscribers. I love giving back to you guys in any big or small way. So hope you guys enjoy this giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. I love you all, and I will see you in a few days in the next video. Bye, love ya.